To configure node information, you must access the environment settings by clicking the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the sidebar menu. Then, click the settings icon in the sidebar menu and select the classification types option. In this section, you will find the 6 groupings into which the nodes are divided. The groupings are regions and zones, accounts and customers, buildings, areas, assets and equipment, and vehicles. Within each grouping, you can view the nodes preloaded in the system, as well as add new ones if you cannot find the node you are looking for. You will see that each node has a button to activate or deactivate it. This allows you to show or hide the node type in the parts editor, so you can define which nodes are active and which are not. To activate or deactivate it, simply click the button. Note that you cannot deactivate a node if it has already been used at least once in the plan editor. You can edit the preloaded nodes by clicking on their label. From there, you can modify the name, add all the information fields you need for each node, and specify whether they are mandatory, part of the name, and must have a unique value. To create a new node, select the group where you want to create it. In this example, we'll create it within the Vehicles classification. Select the Add New Type option and enter the name. If you wish, you can change the icon by clicking on the current icon and then selecting your preferred one. Once you're ready, click Add. To edit the node's information, click on it. We'll keep the labels for name, brand, model, license plate, and serial number. These labels appear by default when adding this type of node, but you can choose to keep or delete them. To delete a field, simply select it and click Delete. To add a field, click Add Field, enter the field name, and then define the field type, which can be text, text area, number, select, multiple selection, checkbox, radio button, date, time, or address. For this example, we'll select Selection. We'll configure it as a required field that forms part of the name. We'll also define the different options available to select, for example, gasoline, hybrid, and electric. Simply click anywhere on the screen to save the information. You can also drag the label and place it in the desired position to establish the order within the asset name structure. You can also create groups if you want to add technical specifications for the equipment. To do this, click Create Group, define the group name, and add all the fields you need. To see how this information will appear in the plan editor, click Open Preview.